Banki and this is Devomita. We are here to cover a story on Farm Law Reveal with our team member Sheetal Prasad, and we took some of the video reactions from Adamas faculty members and students, and here goes our story.
Thank you.
Before starting, let me brief you all on the 3 farm laws that have been repealed now. In September 2020, President Ramnath Kovind gave his assent to the 3 agriculture bills that were earlier passed by the Indian government. The Farm Acts were Farmers Produce Trade and Commerce Act 2020, Farmers Agreement on Price Assurance and Farm Services Act 2020, Essential Commodities Act 2020. The 3 acts provide for the creation of an ecosystem between farmers and traders, for National Framework on Farming Agreement, and further to amend the Essential Commodities Act 1955. Let's get started.
Sir, what is your opinion about Essential Commodity Opinion Acts?
In my opinion, most of these acts are not properly thought, not detailed. They are not well thought, and they have just I think. Can I be political over here?
Yes.
Okay, so I feel that most of these acts are only benefiting maybe one segment of the society. They are not actually benefiting the entire society overall. That's what I believe. And I think that commodities, the taxes on commodities that is being put, that's very, very unjustified and unfair. That's my opinion.
Thank you, sir. How this farm law appeals that it will affect in the next election?
I don't think so. It's going to affect the next election. For whom? PM or
for
the
PM? Yes.
No, it's not going to, because the people are protesting. They knows what he wants and what he don't want, and what he wants to do, or according his good Achhe Din means what? Achha. And the Achhe Din means if the 3 farm laws are his Achhe Din, so the protesters and the people who's gonna vote for him, they knows what his intention to. So I don't think so it's gonna affect the election anymore.
Okay. What's your perspective on the 3 farm laws?
My perspective on 3 farm laws are that it was better for the farmers who are not getting the money in exchange of their hard work in the farms. If this farm law was better for the farmers, because they would get that amount which were taken away from them with the middle of the wholesalers or the retailers were taking away from them. They can get the actual amount of their price. Even they can increase with the company if they have a good talk with the company. If the company gave them that, it was a good law. It shouldn't be evolved, but it has been evolved by the government.
Okay.
It was a good, nice law for the farmers, but I don't know what the reason behind that, why they protested.
Okay.
कृषि कानून जो 21 तारीख को रद्द कर दिए गए हैं, उस पे आपका क्या कहना है? ये सरकार की हार और कृषि की जीत कैसे है?
क्योंकि इतने ज़्यादा प्रोटेस्ट आंदोलन करने के बाद उन लोग को अभी ये कृषि कानून वो हो रहा है, तो यही बताना चाहते हो कि आई एम वेरी हैप्पी फॉर द फार्मर्स. ठीक है, बिकॉज मुझे ये लगता है कि हमारे जो प्रेसिडेंट हैं उनको सिर्फ प्रोटेस्ट का ही बात समझ में आता है, इसलिए शायद वो प्रोटेस्ट के बाद ही ये सब कर रहे हैं ना. क्योंकि अगर प्रोटेस्ट के आगे ये सब होता तो, क्योंकि बहुत सारे लाइव्स वो बहुत सारे कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस बहुत कुछ हुए प्रोटेस्ट में भी ना, तो मुझे लगता है कि शायद इसके आगे अगर वो लोग कुछ स्टेप लेते तो वो ज़्यादा बेटर रहता. लेकिन nevertheless, better late come but better it has come, so that is the thing.